So yeah, basically we will rate some candies. If you're diabetes, so don't please don't eat candy. Okay. Um let's rate some candies. Let's first rate M&Ms, okay? M&Ms. M&Ms always want to break my teeth. Yeah, really always want to break my teeth. So let's just put M&Ms and tier D. They're kind of delicious too, but they're kind of breaking my teeth. So okay, let's get to the okay, Starburst. Yeah, Starburst was just a little bit salty just for me. Yeah, it's a little bit salty for me. So I'm gonna put it in the C tier because yeah, really. Let's up Next up, let's see Nerds. If you haven't seen Nerds, okay, Nerds. Nerds are I'm gonna tell you about nerds. Nerds are really sour, and I hate that, so I'm gonna put it on the tier F. Next we have what is this? Next we have Jelly Belly. Yeah, Jelly Belly. That doesn't fool my tummy. Yeah, really. That doesn't fool my digestive system. Like yeah, I'm gonna put it in the C tier. Next up we have Snickers or whatever, something like that. I'm gonna put the Snickers on tier A because yeah, really the inside of Snickers were really good. I'm gonna be honest. Let's what is this? Oh, what is this? What is this? I don't know what is this. Okay, let's just fix this thingy. What's this? Oh, butter finger. This is what's so crunchy. Really wanna break my teeth too. I'm just gonna put the M&Ms like in the tier D2. Next up, we have you know is it, and yeah, maybe probably you don't know it. Kit Kat. We have Kit Kat. Yeah, really, we had Kit Kat. You know, Kit Kat is my favorite. I'm gonna put it on this S tier. We're gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it in the S tier. How can I even put this thingy in the S tier? Oh, it's removing the B tier. Let's just put the Kit Kat on the S tier, and next we have Pocky. Yeah, I really love this one. I'm gonna put it in the B. Yeah, really, I don't like this one. And we have Tootsie Roll, or yeah, Tootsie Roll. Um, I never even taste this one. Yeah, I never taste Tootsie Roll in my whole life. Like it's like a sausage. Uh, I think it's like a sausage too. I think it's a sausage, but I'm just gonna put it on the D tier. Okay. Finally. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We removed the nerds. Not the nerds. Not our teacher, nerds. What is this thing? Okay. Oh, I know this one. I know this one. I'm gonna put this on the I'm gonna put this on the B tier too. So finally, we have Twix to end the freaking video. I'm gonna put Twix on the S tier because I really love Twix, especially not that. Don't mind that. I really love Kit Kat too because Kit Kat, it's inside, the inside of Kit Kat is Kit Kat too. You know it, Kit break Kit Kats. You know that, break Kit Kats. Yeah, break Kit Kats. That's how it. Twix had a satisfying when you bite on it. It have a satisfying inside, or it's like just a coffee or caramel butter or something. So I think that's all for the video. Thanks for liking, thanks for watching the video. Better like and subscribe, and see you next time.